Most people treat night like a reward. They think, I'll rest after I finish this video, after I scroll a bit more, after that message. But the way your nights unfold decides how your days begin. If your evenings are chaotic, your mornings often feel chaotic too. You wake up tired, you feel distracted, and you carry yesterday's noise into today. I used to do the same. I thought I could fix everything tomorrow, but tomorrow came and with it the same tired mind. So let's talk about why most night routines fail and what actually works. Why most night routines don't work. Most people end the day the same way they started it, with noise, videos, notifications, endless scrolling. It distracts your brain, it keeps it alert, and it blurs the boundary between day and rest. Your mind doesn't reset itself when you doze off. It resets when you quiet it down intentionally. A good night routine isn't about doing more. It's about closing the day in a calm way. Habit 1. Digital shutdown. Not later, now. Before anything else, put your phone away, far enough that you don't reach for it automatically. A glowing screen keeps your brain awake, not mentally alert, just restless. Instead, give yourself quiet time. No pings, no illusions of urgency. Try it for 30 minutes before bed. Not forever, just for tonight. This tiny shift turns "I still have time" into "today is complete." Habit 2. Mind declutter. Right, don't worry. The mind loves unfinished thoughts. That's why most people lie awake replaying the day. What happened, what could have gone better, what tomorrow might bring. Before closing your eyes, write one simple thing: what went well today and what you want to focus on tomorrow. Not a long list, just 2 lines. Writing it down tells your brain, I've recorded this, I can rest now. Habit 3. Intentional planning. Only one thing. Most night planners try to schedule everything, but your brain doesn't need a long list. It needs one clear starting point. Before bed, choose one small task you'll do first tomorrow. Not 3, not 10, just 1. This reduces morning decision stress. Morning clarity starts tonight. Habit 4. The wind down window. Many students go straight from screens to bed. That jump doesn't give the nervous system time to relax. So give your body a small buffer. Call it the wind down window. Walk for a couple of minutes. Stretch lightly. Sit quietly and do nothing. This isn't activity. This is closure. It tells your physiology, day is over, sleep now. Habit 5. Sleep without guilt. One of the biggest night mistakes is guilt. I wasted my day. I should have done more. That voice keeps you up longer than your phone ever could. Rest isn't a reward. Rest is a necessity. A tired brain cannot focus. A guilt-laden brain cannot rest. So tonight, be okay with imperfection. You don't need to fix everything before sleep. You just need to end your day with peace. This is what actually changes your life. Not late nights, not more hours, not motivation. Quiet closure. Clarity before sleep. Consistency without pressure. The power of a night routine isn't loud. It's subtle. It's silent. It's persistent. A night done well improves your sleep, your focus, your morning energy, and slowly, over time, your life. You don't need to overhaul everything. You only need a system that works, even when you're tired, distracted, or unmotivated. If this video helped you feel understood, like it so more students can see it. Subscribe for calm and practical self-improvement, and share it with someone who needs a quieter night. You're doing better than you think.